To lock apps on Realme Note 60, first we'll need to launch our settings. Then navigate to Special Features. Here you'll be able to find the app lock, and then you need to unlock your phone. If you don't have a lock set up on your phone, this function will ask you to perform the setup on your lock screen. Now, when we have our app lock access, we'll be able to enable it right here. And then you can add any apps to your app lock. For example, we can go for the calendar and Chrome. Now we can move to the locked section, and then you will see all of the apps that you've locked. And now let's check how to access them. We can pop open our app drawer and then look for the apps that are locked. In this case, I've chose the calendar and Chrome, so we can try accessing Chrome, and it will ask you for a password to open the app. And the same as with the calendar, let's try it real fast as well. Also asks you for a password.